Golden Dayin, fellow language learners. I'm making this video in case any of you are like me out there and you just have some days where your language learning is just not going as well as you thought it should be, or you realize you don't know quite as much as you thought you did. I personally have days like that all the time. Right now I'm trying to learn Arabic and I have so many days where I get so discouraged because I try to talk to someone in Arabic and it just does not go as well as I thought it would. That's totally normal, and I guess my message to you today is don't give up, keep trying, you can do it. When I was learning Danish and when I was learning Icelandic, I had lots of down days like that, and you go for a really long time not being able to communicate like you wish you could. But it's my experience that all of a sudden you hit a point where you know enough words and you've heard the language enough that all of a sudden you start understanding stuff. You don't understand everything. Even now, I don't understand everything that everyone says in Icelandic. But all of a sudden I could understand enough, and with the context I was able to start figuring out what was going on around me. And once you hit that point, it's all smooth sailing, because all of a sudden you can hear the words that you know. You can also hear the words that you don't know. You can start figuring out what those words mean. You can use context. And it's really a sweet thing. And if you keep working hard, you'll reach that point. So that's my message to you today. Have a good one.